Y'all, I am so right now, like you don't even understand, because I am the type of customer that follow every single rule that you have. I don't mind paying a deposit. I will be there. I will do all of the things. I found a girl on Instagram. She had a style. See, I love to book people who have a booking site because there's no issue. You'll bet cancellation a couple hours later from the site. And when that cancellation came through, I'm like, what? It said rebook. So I went back. It had the same. It confirmed it automatically again. And then a few hours later, I got a cancel. But it was like cancel due to like the stylist unable to confirm. So I guess on their end, they have to confirm. So it had an option to message. So I messaged the stylist. I messaged and she responded back. And I said, hey, my appointment keeps getting canceled. I just want to know, is there an error or should I book a different day? She said, oh no, I see your appointment is booked. She was like, on my end. So you're fine. I will see you next Friday at 9. That was last week. This is this week. This is this Friday. Next Friday at 9. That was last week. This is this week. This is this Friday.
Let's pause right there, because situations like this happen more often than people realize in the beauty industry. In this story, the client scheduled a hair appointment through an online booking platform. She paid the deposit, booked the appointment for 9 a.m., and even confirmed the appointment with the stylist through messages the week before. However, there was already an early warning sign. The booking system canceled her appointment twice because the stylist had not confirmed it on her end. The client reached out directly to the stylist, and the stylist reassured her that everything was fine and that she would see her at the appointment the following Friday at 9 a.m. So the client planned her entire morning around this appointment. She dropped her kids off at school, drove to the salon location early, and arrived around 8:55 a.m. But when she arrived, the salon was completely dark. Eventually, she called the stylist directly, and that's when the stylist realized she had made a mistake with the booking. The stylist said she thought the appointment was for the following week, even though she had already confirmed the date in writing. At that point, the stylist offered another appointment later that day, but the client had already arranged her schedule around the original time and needed to pick up her child later. This left the client frustrated, emotional, and feeling like her time and trust were not respected. Unfortunately, experiences like this are one of the biggest reasons clients lose trust in stylists. Now, let's talk about what professional stylists should learn from situations like this. Because professionalism in the beauty industry is not just about doing good hair, it's about respecting people's time and trust. Lesson 1, confirm appointments clearly. If you use a booking system, always double check your schedule. If an appointment is canceled automatically by the system, it is the stylist's responsibility to correct it and clearly confirm the date and time with the client. Clients plan their day around appointments. They may arrange childcare, take time off work, or travel long distances. Showing up late or missing an appointment can affect their entire day. If a stylist realizes they made a scheduling mistake, they should contact the client before the appointment time. A simple message like, hey, I just realized there was a booking error. I want to fix this before you come in. That small step can prevent frustration and build trust. In today's world, clients share their experiences online. One unprofessional appointment can damage the trust that took years to build. If this breakdown helped you understand salon professionalism better, make sure you like and subscribe for more real salon education, and follow Stylist Factory as we produce the century's best hairstyles.